Here we have colours and Sir Knights, their natural habitats. The garden, as we view the beautiful sunrise early in the morning, so as not to frighten them. And the birds are getting ready. What a beautiful day. It's just gone 6 a.m. Clouds are rolling in, and we have a bird storm. Yes, there they go. What do you think of that then? The freedom of the garden. Come here. They're just so tame. They've been used to the school. All the kids running about, so they must love the peacefulness. Gonna have a little fire in a bit. Nice early in the morning. Got everything ready. That'd be worth filming. Clear out the hutch. Yep, fresh hay in there. Every day. Oh man. I just love these rabbits. Hey, you come to see Daddy? Alright. Hopefully we'll catch a bit of sunrise in a bit when this cloud's finished rolling over.